Hello. I've arrived in Waterton, Alberta. I'm not really sure what I want to do first. I don't know, it's like I feel a little lost on my first day of adventuring. Maybe it's because I don't really know where I'm going to sleep tonight, so it's a little spooky. We will just have to see where the day takes us from now. There was a really bad fire that came through Waterton, I think a few years ago now, so the trees here are pretty crispy still. Hello! I realized I'm driving the wrong way. I'm trying to get to this hike. It's called Bear's Hump and it's right in town. It's really easy. I don't know why I ended up turning this way, but at least I saw those little sheep, so. I realized anyway that I don't think I've actually explained what I'm doing in this lovely camper that I've built. I am embarking on a 4-month solo road trip exploring a bunch of Canada that even though I've lived here my whole life, I haven't actually visited, like Vancouver Island and the Yukon, and I'm currently in Alberta. So I thought I'd come to Waterton. There's a lot of beautiful hikes that I would love to do, but I didn't realize coming here this early in the season that a lot of them are actually closed. That's kind of the theme of this trip though, because I was working in a restaurant in Banff and then I went straight into building this really fast. So I haven't had any time to do any trip planning. But the idea with this camper is that hopefully I could slow down my travel pace and experience Canada a little more on a budget. But already I can feel myself going back into my old habits of just wanting to see as much as possible. So we'll see how the rest of the summer goes. But yeah, for now, I'm living in this camper for the next 4 months. I don't know what's gonna happen after that. I really have no idea. Now we're just gonna go get a view of the town. There's a campground in the town and I'm gonna go and use their shower.
I see a spark in the making. I hope the rain don't come too soon. You've got a hand for the taking, and I'm about to take it to the moon. I see a spark in the making. I hope the rain don't come too soon. You've got a hand for the taking, and I'm about to take it to the moon. I'm about to take it to the moon.
My water pump doesn't seem to be working, so I need to figure that out, and I think it may just be because I'm parked on a slight angle. But once I get my dishes done, I'm going to start driving to my home for the night. It's just on a random sort of public land use zone just off the highway, and I'm pretty pooched, so I'm gonna go right to bed. I told myself I wasn't gonna film today because it has been so busy and I feel like I haven't really given myself a break, but I think I've realized what's wrong with my water pump. and I just feel like it's an adventure I have to take you guys on. So it's because the tube isn't reaching the bottom of like the water tank thing, so I need to weigh it down. And obviously I'm in the middle of nowhere, so the only way I can think of doing that is by using rocks. And I'm pretty sure that rocks shouldn't affect my drinking water in any negative way, so that's what we're gonna do. This water is cold. Okay. Can you tell I wasn't planning on filming based on my outfit choice today? So we have a orange carrying thing. Now I just have rocks in my water. Don't really want to wait. This will definitely keep it in place. Oh my god. And we're assuming that this is a food safe bag since it had oranges in it. But this putty is definitely drinking water safe. That I know. Well, that's just gonna have to dry. Yesterday, I ended up actually finishing it while I was on the phone with my sister, but my water seems to work really well now, so I'm very happy with my rocks and my jug. I'm feeling innovative, and it gave me something nice to do on that lovely rainy day.